that shine the path of Iman for us is the heart of the Mujaddid of Bareilly, the illustrious Mujaddid, the defender of the Sunnah, the vanquisher of heresy, the oceanic alim, the author of 1,000, the author of 1,000, the master of Fatawa, the senior of the Ummah, the leader of the Sunnis, the top rank Mufassir, the elite Muhaddis, the teacher of the jurists, the Qutb among the awliya, the opener of secrets, the sun among the stars, the genius Muhakkik, the Hafiz of the Quran, the Mufti of Sharia, the Arif of Haqiqah, the pride of Bareilly, the scholar of the century, Ala Hazrat, Azimul Martabat, Rafiul Darajat, Kushta-e Ishq o Mohabbat, Hami-e Sunnat, Mahi-e Bidat, Qat-e Najdiyat o Rafiziyat o Tafziliyat o Nasb o Khuruj, Malhaz-e Anzar-e Nubuwat, Imam-e Ahl-e Sunnat Sayyidi Shah Imam Ahmad Raza Khan Rahmatullahi alayh.